Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a small module from my AI agent system that automatically generates search queries for finding potential clients and saves them into a spreadsheet. Imagine an AI that can generate dozens of Google search queries for you, without manual research and without spending hours thinking about keywords. In my system, there is a main AI agent that works as an orchestrator. It controls the workflow and calls different tools when they are needed. In this example, the agent triggers a tool that generates lead search queries. After that, the system processes the results. It splits the generated queries, removes duplicates, and starts writing them into a table. As a result, you automatically get a structured database of search queries that can later be used for finding potential clients on Google, building scraping workflows, or creating your own lead generation system. So instead of manually brainstorming dozens of search queries, AI generates them for you in just a few seconds. If you want to try this system yourself, I've published the workflow template and all the source files on GitHub. You can download them and adapt the system for your own niche or project. The link will be in the video description. And if you're interested in AI agents, automation, and n8n workflows, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also check out my Instagram. I regularly share automation systems, AI tools, and real-world use cases there. Thanks for watching.